All right, today we're pulling back the curtain on the hotel industry. We're going to look at a massive tech shift that's changing literally everything about how a hotel runs, even though you'll probably never see it. We're talking about the invisible tech that can make or break your entire trip. So let's check in to the future of hospitality.
I mean, really think about it for a second. When you grab your room key, when you use the phone or connect to the Wi-Fi, there's this whole complex web of tech making it all just happen. But where is all that stuff? And, how is it all changing?
Well, the single biggest change is this: the cloud is checking in. You see, for decades, hotels were stuck with these clunky, expensive servers right there on the property. We're talking constant maintenance, painful upgrades, just a huge headache. But now we're seeing this fundamental shift away from all that to something way more flexible and powerful.
And look, this isn't some little niche trend. One industry insider put it really bluntly. They said they see one clear direction: everyone going towards the cloud. What's so interesting about that is just how certain it is. It's not a question of if anymore. It's just a matter of when. And that's really the bottom line, isn't it? For the people who are in the know, this isn't some passing fad. Nope. This is the new foundation for the entire industry. But what does moving to the cloud actually mean for a hotel? Okay, so what is cloud-based in this world? It's actually pretty simple. Instead of some dusty server room in the hotel basement running everything, all the hotel's core systems, we're talking phones, bookings, you name it, they're all moved off-site into the cloud. And get this, they can be managed from anywhere in the world.
So why would they go through all this trouble? Why make this huge shift? Well, it all comes down to a really powerful promise. It's what the industry calls the zero-effort model, and it's basically designed to get rid of all those old-school tech nightmares.
And that's a great question, right? Because this techie term, it has a huge real-world impact. In the old days, if you wanted to add a new phone line, you had to wait for a technician to physically show up. Now, it's literally just a click from a remote dashboard. It's all about making these super complex systems unbelievably simple to manage. And that, of course, directly impacts your stay as a guest. And this lays out the process perfectly. First, the hotel moves to the cloud. Right away, that enables zero provisioning, so new stuff gets set up instantly. And since it's all in the cloud, it can be managed from anywhere. And all of that leads us to the ultimate goal: zero. That is the magic number. The entire point of this whole tech upgrade is to make sure that from the hotel side, and way more importantly from your side as the guest, there are absolutely no interruptions to the service. Your stay is just smooth, reliable, and totally seamless. But, to get that kind of flawless experience, the whole industry has to be on the same page. So if this tech is such a game changer, how does the word get out? Well, a huge part of the answer is at these massive industry events where everyone gathers to see what's next. And you can just feel the energy in this quote. This is from someone standing right in the middle of a huge tech showcase for hospitality. It's not just some boring conference. It is a buzzing, exciting hub where the future is literally being bought and sold on the spot. And these events are absolutely critical. I mean, they offer massive exposure for new products, they let tech companies connect directly with the hotel execs, the people who actually make the buying decisions, and yeah, they are the perfect launchpad for the very cloud systems we've been talking about.
Okay, so we've looked at the tech, the benefits, how it all spreads. Let's zoom out. What's the big picture here? What's the single most important thing you should take away from all this?
It's this, right here. The technology that powers your hotel stay is getting more powerful by becoming less and less visible. It's managed remotely from anywhere, and the ultimate goal is to create a completely uninterrupted, perfect experience for you, the guest.
And that leaves us with a really fascinating question to think about. We're getting to a point where perfect, uninterrupted service is just the baseline. It's the standard. So what comes next? What's the next big promise that technology is going to make to all of us travelers? Something to think about. Thanks for tuning in.